teach you exercise 10a from question number 6. In my previous video, I taught you till question number 6. Okay. Now question number 6. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay. Angle ABC is 90 degree. We will make this figure. Okay. A, B, C is right angle triangle. B's ABC's angle ABC is right angle. So this is 90 degree. AB. AC 25 centimeter. AB is 24 centimeter. Then calculate the area of ABC. Area of right angle triangle equal to 1/2 base into perpendicular. This is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base. We don't know about the base. So first we'll find the base by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So AB equal to 24 centimeter, AC equal to 25 centimeter. Then BC we have to find in right triangle. In right triangle ABC, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse square equal to means AC square equal to base BC square plus AB square. Okay. Then 25 whole square. BC square means we don't know. We have to find BC square. AB square means 24 whole square. This is 625 equal to BC square plus 576. Okay. BC square equal to 625 minus 576. It is 911 BC square. Okay. BC equal to square root 49 equal to 7. BC equal to, okay, 7 centimeter. Now area of right triangle ABC equal to half perpendicular into base. Okay. Half perpendicular into base. Half equal to half perpendicular, dear student, 7 perpendicular 24 base 7. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2s are. Okay. Then 12 7s are 84. 84 centimeter square. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 9. It is figure A, B, D and BCD, and this is right angle. Okay. Angle ABD is right angle and angle BCD is right angle. We have to calculate length of AB. So I am reading question. In figure ABCD represent a quadrilateral in which AD equal to 13 centimeter, DC equal to 12 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter, and angle ABD equal to angle BCD equal to 90 degree. Calculate the length of AB. Okay. So what to do here, dear student? AB in this triangle ABD. We don't know the side BD and AB. So we can't find by using this triangle because we know only one side. Then first we will go in right triangle BCD. In BCD, two sides are there and it is right angle triangle, and opposite of right angle hypotenuse is there. So first we will find hypotenuse of triangle BCD. This hypotenuse will work as base for right triangle ABD. Okay. This will base, this is hypotenuse for triangle right triangle ABD. Then we can find the perpendicular. Okay, dear student. Now first in right triangle BCD, BD square equal to CD square plus BC square. BD square CD square means 12 square plus BC square. BC square means 3 square. Okay, it is BD square. So BD square equal to 144 plus 9, it is 153. We'll leave it here. It is centimeter square, BD square, because we will not find decimal. Why? Because we will need BD square in this triangle. Okay, in right triangle ABD. Oh, then AD square equal to AD square hypotenuse square equal to hypotenuse square means opposite of right angle. It is hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. It doesn't matter whether you are writing perpendicular or base. Okay. So AD square we have to find. We know very well 13 whole square. AB square we don't know AB whole square equal to AB square plus 153. It is 169 minus 153 equal to AB square. It is 16. AB square equal to 16. AB equal to square root 16 4. Okay, 4 centimeter. So AB equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, students. The sides of right angle triangle containing right angles are 5x and 3x minus 1. Okay. If the area of triangle be 60 centimeter square, calculate the lengths of sides of triangle. Means it is A, B, C. The sides of right angle triangle containing right angle. Containing right angles means the sides which make right angle in right angle triangle are 5x centimeter and 3x centimeter. 3x minus 1 centimeter. Okay. And area it is given 60 centimeter square. So area of right triangle ABC equal to half into base into perpendicular. Area it is given 60, half base 5x into 3x minus 1. Okay. Then cross multiplication 120, 62 is 120, or you can write like this cross multiplication 5x into 3x minus 1 equal to 2 into 60. It is 15x square minus 5x equal to 120. Okay. Then dear student, one more thing you can do. What? 3x minus 1 we can simplify more upon 5. 5 1s are 5 2s. Okay. It is 3x square minus x equal to 24. 3x square minus x minus 24 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize. Okay, we have to factorize. How? Multiply 3 into 24. It is 72. We have to find the coefficient of x by subtractions of factors of 72. 9 8 are 72. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Okay. 3x square minus x, 9 minus 8 minus 24 equal to 0. 3x square minus 9x plus 8x minus 24 equal to 0. You take common 3x minus 3 inside, and 8 will take common, then x minus 3. Then you take common x minus 3, then 3x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay. If x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 3, and if 3x plus 8 equal to 0, 3x equal to minus 8, x equal to minus 8 upon 3, this is not side, is which is neglected. Okay, which is neglected. Okay, it will not take this because minus side not there. Okay, now base equal to, what is the base? And perpendicular. Perpendicular means AB equal to 3x minus 1, 3 into 3 minus 1 equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8 centimeter, and base 5x, 5 into 3 equal to 15 centimeter. Then they have to find hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equal to, in right triangle ABC, hypotenuse square AC square equal to base square means BC square plus perpendicular square means AB square. Base square means BC square means 15 whole square plus 8 whole square. AC square it is 225 plus 64, it is 289. AC square AC equal to square root 289 is 17 centimeter. Now we have all three sides. One 8 centimeter, perpendicular, base 15 centimeter, and hypotenuse 17 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay.